What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon in the crypto universe. Today is Thursday, October 5th. In today's video, we're going to be doing a follow-up on Veefriends. We're going to be talking about Veefriends Series 1, Veefriends Series 2, also some live streams are happening actually today, and also other live streams within the community that are showcasing pack reveals, showing that their Veefriend cards, you could score something pretty huge if you are able to participate. But also at the very end of the video, I'm going to share with you something around VeeCon. What can we look forward to in 2024? So with that said, you have to watch this video throughout its entirety. Obviously, you need to stick around to the very end to hear my conclusion and statement, because I have something personally I want to share with you around the IP, around Veefriends, and where we're at this very moment. So with that said, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the button, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So right now, Veefriends, the floor price around the Series 1 NFT collection is around 1.88 Ethereum. This is on Blur and OpenSea. Now, Blur is one of the most used platforms for anything Ethereum NFT related. This is, again, incentivizing people to trade on this platform because, again, apparently there's going to be airdrop tokens of the Blur token, depending on how many buy, sell trades that you have on this platform. So I want to share with you the most recent sale that was the highest above the floor price within Veefriends Series 1. And that was this. This was Hot S Hornet, and that was for 3.46 Ethereum. So obviously someone bought this well above the floor price. Why? Because I think the rarity of it is actually quite unique, because again, there's 10,000 roughly of these NFTs in circulating supply of the Series 1, and this is ranked 1400. So that's obviously a better price of entry. But let's also talk about Series 2. Now, Series 2 right now is again hovering around 0.1 Ethereum. But there was a recent sale that was above the floor price, and that was this one for 0.35 Ethereum. Now, the reason why I think that this NFT was well bought above the floor price was because of this, the pose, which is evolving. As you can see, there is a card beneath it, a little bit of like this fairy dust, also a little bit of smoke, and the character emerging out of that card. And we call that the evolving pose. So if you see any of these are usually the top 10% of the rarity of supplies within the NFT collection. And again, the collection of Veefriends Series 2 is roughly around 50,000 or 55,000 and above. Now, back on October 2nd, when I announced that it was my birthday, I just reached out to the community to ask people if they want to support my channel, because again, this is not a sponsored channel. This is all done free for education for everybody to learn what is the best and most safest investments out there in both the crypto, NFT space, anything within Web3. And I just basically want to reach out to people and say, hey, if you want to support, support. If you don't want to, don't worry about it. And I swear to gosh, this actually happened. Now, Gary ended up tweeting this on his actual Twitter page, or also known as X page. And he reached out to some of his fellow colleagues to please get my address so that he could send me something, a surprise gift. And I don't even know what that is. And today's Thursday, because that's the gift that he's going to pick today. So I just want to share this with everybody, because it just goes to show that a founder who is extremely busy, has multiple businesses to look over, has time to look over his holders, his community members. He spends time to reach out to them. And I thought this was a really sweet gesture, a really sweet homage to his community. And I just thought that was something that we have to recognize. I had to show some appreciation to the community. And so I decided to buy 3 Series 2 NFTs. And because of all of you, you have shared with your opinion which NFT I should have gotten. So, thanks to Hair from Veefriends, I got one of these Confident Cobras. And thanks to Kowski, I was able to get this snake in the arcade. And also, shout out to Chris Vaught, Juggling, who asked me, basically, you have to pick a character that you like that speaks to you, because that's what Gary would advise people to do. And so that's what I did. I did an evolving pose as well. And this was the beetle, the balanced beetle. So that was really great. And in response to that, Gary said, any Series 1 yet? I need an OG. So that's basically what I'm reaching out to the community is, which Veefriends Series 1 should I buy to represent me? So right now, let me know the thoughts down below on both YouTube and Twitter in regards to which Series 1 NFT do you think I should look out for? A lot of you have been saying either the iguana, also the crab, and also the slug. But again, I want to hear your thoughts on YouTube. Love to hear your feedback. Next up, we got to talk about something that's happening really soon, and that is in regards to the sales of this new Mattel product. Now, in partnership, Master of the Universe Universe had partnered with Veefriends. Now, what is that all about? With Mattel and Veefriends partnering up, they have this toy coming up, and that is this. They have 2 toys in this one pack. And basically, in this pack, if you do buy it, then you'll be able to qualify to have this background for your NFT collection. So once you make your purchase of this Mattel and Veefriends collaboration pack, then you need to save your order ID. Then the scene swap will be open so that you can submit your order and check your eligibility. And then once it's confirmed, you have to follow these certain directions in regards to the swap. And this is again involving Series 2. And there is a little bit more detail here around what particular holders of both Series 2 and Series 1 could qualify to be a part of this as well. If you want to, be sure to click down in the link below, which allows you to understand how to participate in that sale, because that's happening tomorrow, October 6th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. That could be different if you're on Eastern Standard Time, but it is a limited order of 3 per order. So it's, again, each one is costing $45. So keep in mind, this is how you can participate in this if you want to be able to buy this right at launch. And again, I think this is going to sell out pretty quickly considering that there's a limited supply. Another thing I want to share with everybody is that right now Veefriends is partnering with Fanatics, which is an app that you download on your phone, and you can participate in live streams. So right now there's going to be a live stream tonight, October 5th at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 3 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So right now there have been people who have already bought these packs, and basically their packs are going to be revealed live on this actual Fanatics live stream. And again, the way that it works is that, again, you buy these packs before it's sold out, which they are already sold out, and these guys, such as Adam Rips, decides to reveal them live on their stream, and this is on Fanatics. And so right now, if you're lucky enough, you can get some really rare one-on-ones, such as this character right here. This guy literally revealed a one-on-one character, which is this right here, and that's absolutely a huge steal. So again, just one of many things, but we do have something coming up tonight, because even if you couldn't participate in buying those packs early on, well, maybe something may happen tonight at 8:15 through 8:30, which is that Gary Vee is going to be appearing during tonight's Fanatics live stream. So be sure to check out the 6 p.m. live stream. Stick around to maybe around 8:15 if you can. And what will happen is that he will be giving away something. We don't know what that is. But again, you have to reply to this specific post. So if you can, be sure to go to Gary Vee's Twitter page and be sure to reply to this. So maybe he will look at it, maybe he will see it, and maybe he will be able to give you something in return. But we will see. But again, there's another live stream I want everybody to check out, and that is this from TGER Collector Corner. Now, he has a live stream on Twitch, and if you haven't already, be sure to join him, because right now he has 567 followers. Let's bring him up to 1,000 followers if we can. And on this live stream, he reveals with his friends, again, another way of revealing cards live on stream, and these packs are absolutely great steals. And again, this is the best part around the nostalgia part of it, right? Because if you're a card collector in both Pokemon or any other sports cards or collector cards edition, well, this is what this is aiming to be, which is literally bring in new community and culture to card collectors. It's taking away NFTs and transforming it into something that's really beneficial for people to understand. So this is why I want people to get really excited for this next event, which is VeeCon 2024. Now, if you're not aware, this is the VeeCon that's going to happen in August. And this is one of the recent announcements that basically Gary Vee has shared on his YouTube page, on his Twitter page, and it's going to be happening here in Los Angeles. So what can we expect out of this event? Well, you got to look at the past events that have happened recently. So this is back on VeeCon 2023 and possibly 2022, and this goes to show you how many speakers show up. Yes, you have celebrities, but also entrepreneurs. You're not just having an event that's just solely garnered towards crypto people, Web3 people. This is also beneficial for people who want to develop a business, learn how to do marketing, learn how to grow their intellectual brand and property. I mean, this is a way to accelerate you as an entrepreneur, as a person who's doing a startup business, or maybe someone who's very established that just wants to have some clarification on how to make their business number one. So why not hear from the most promising, most intellectual people in this world, from clothing brands, tech companies, beverage companies, whatever it may be. This is going to be the best place for it, because you can learn a lot from this. And this is what makes VeeCon stand out from any other convention in itself. And it's very, very fun. Plus, there are a ton of card collectors that bring their VeeFriend cards to this event, and it's absolutely an amazing experience nonetheless. So if you want to find out more about VeeCon 2024, you have to go to veefriends.com, and you will find out how to attend this event by entering your email address, and they will notify you when the tickets will go on sale. But this is why you stuck around to the very end of the video, because if you want to attend VeeCon, from what I hear, is if you own a Veefriends NFT Series 1, that this will be the last chance to participate in the VeeCon 2024 event. Because what I hear is that you'll be given free admission, but this may be the last time you'll be able to get free admission to the last free admission VeeCon. After this, I'm not so sure if Veefriends Series 1 is going to allow you to have free admission to the next VeeCon 2025, because again, maybe these tickets will be worth thousands of dollars, or at least when they go on the market, they'll be, you know, pretty much really high price. I don't think this is going to absolutely be cheap, considering how many people are speaking at these events. It's like San Diego Comic-Con on a totally different level. So keep that in mind. And also another thing I want to share with everybody is that with the intellectual property regarding Veefriends Series 1 and also Veefriends Series 2, both of these NFTs I think will grow in intellectual property, and this is why the value of these NFTs are super high. So if you can't afford too much of the Series 1, maybe Series 2 is meant for you. But if you can afford a Series 1, I think definitely this will have long-term benefits for you as a holder, because you may get first dibs on releases for different products that Gary and his team are going to release. If it's toys, if it's cards, if it's vending machines, whatever it's going to be, you will most likely be first in line before anybody else. So that's all I have to say in this video. We have a lot more videos to share. In the future videos, I will share with you what gift Gary is going to give me, and I will reveal it on this channel. And also, I have in possession a Veefriends collector card pink box that I will open up and reveal to the public, because I want to share with everybody my experience, what it's like to reveal these cards unopened, so that hopefully I can score something amazing. And that's why I want you guys to check out these videos and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls on both buy and sell orders on both NFTs, cryptocurrencies, and collector cards within Veefriends. Till then, I'll see you guys and girls next time.